This is my life. This is my passion. This is Ike's Outdoors.
Hey guys, Lindsay here with Ike's Outdoors. Today we're over at our friend Travis's, and he's got some nice woods out behind his house, so we are gonna go squirrel hunting this afternoon. There's a ton of squirrels back here. They've been the bane of our existence while we've been deer hunting, so they are thick, and we're hoping to thin out the population a little bit. So I've got my air rifle, Ike's got his shotgun, and Travis has got his shotgun, so we're gonna see what we can get today.
We're chicken. Who knows about chicken?
You must be a fast little guy.
Damn.
Oh, here it comes right now.
Squirrel number one.
First squirrel of the day. I hit that second one, but he got in that tree. I hit him back. Lindsay, there's a squirrel right there. Right there.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got him. Oh, man. Sorry. It was just too easy. Right here. He come out straight in front of me.
Yeah. Right on. Good job.
Right by the camera.
I hope he didn't hit the camera.
Folded his ass up.
Oh shit! Where I'm standing?
Where Travis is standing, I shot right on the top of it. No, it didn't get hit. Can I video that? Daddy's on a roll. You want this 12 gauge, brother?
Whoa, he's cute.
Oop.
He's good.
It came off.
I don't know why that thing's coming off.
What do I push?
You got it power on? Right here. Yeah, you got the power on. And you're recording. It's still recording.
Oh.
It's been recording the whole time. I bet you can hear me shoot right over the top of it.
Probably.
Squirrel number 2. Good shot, Travis.
Finally got one. Very end of the hunt. Almost home. I got one.
Right in your backyard.
Right in my backyard. Again.